Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I am going to do a bloom, a fancy bloom, kind of a floating bloom on this 8x8 canvas that I'm just going to go over. And this is Glidden Essentials mixed with some mist tint that I got just to thicken it up a little bit. So I've got some greens and purples today. There's a lot of bubbles in this. Try and break them. Break a few anyway. Okay, so I've got mostly greens and purple and a little bit of gold, and I've got one golden teal. I think I'm going to put this one down. Should I put this one first? I like to put opaque on the bottom or the top. All right, I have this green now. I don't know what greens these are. It's a mixture of a few greens. So I'm just going to put this down first. Let's try Lavender Frost. It's actually Lavender Purple by Arteza. It's almost like Lavender Frost by DecoArt. It's a very pretty color. I think I'll put, I have a Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. It's almost empty. All right, that's enough of that. I have Peridot Green by DecoArt. It's Extreme Sheen. Some of my paints are getting low. I'm going to have to mix up some. Okay. I have gold. I have yellowish green by Amsterdam. I'll put a little bit of that on. All right, so now some gold. And now some golden teal. Now my cell activator, and I'm going to use my little hair dryer. All right. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. See a little purple coming through there and there. The middle come in. My gold came through. Sometimes the gold sinks on me. All right, so I'm going to do some pretty modifications. Yeah, look at that one. Wow, turned out pretty. So let's see what we can get here. Give it a spin. It's popping out these white bubbles. Air bubbles from underneath keep popping up. That's if you stir your pillow paste right before you paint, you get these bubbles. But sometimes you just can't help it. I love these colors. Very pretty. I'm going to push it this way a little bit. Well, I don't have much negative space, but a little bit, but I love it. I love this right here. It's moving a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave this one. Maybe one more. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. I like this purple, gold, and the teal together. I might do one in just those colors. I love it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. You'll be notified when I do a new one. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Have a great day. Hi, everybody. Well, look how gorgeous this is. Look at that beautiful gold in the middle. Love these colors. This is drying amazing. The middle is still a little wet, but it's drying good. Thanks for watching and have a great day.